Lightbulb Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So on this channel, I create videos that educate you on a number of areas. Basically, I strive to give you your light bulb moment. So on this video, I will show you a couple of sites that can give you an opportunity to provide your freelance services. If you're a designer, if you're a software developer, if you're an accountant, etc., you can be able to gain from this online gig economy. So we will begin with a couple of sites that provide you with an opportunity to create a profile, and then you can easily be spotted for work by people looking to hire freelancers. And one of the sites that people use is called Upwork. So let's click on that and have a look at the site and see what they do. So this is basically a marketplace for talent. So if you're looking to hire for talent, maybe in web development, a mobile developer, a designer, a writer, a customer service expert, a marketer, an accountant, you can come to this site and you will be able to get recommendations based on people or freelancers who have created profiles, and they have put these areas as their areas of expertise. Another site is called guru.com, which is also a marketplace for talent. And there's also fiverr.com, and there's also freelancers.com. But for this particular video, we will focus on upwork.com, and we can maybe try and create a profile for a freelancer, not for a company that is looking to hire, but rather for a freelancer. So you can click here to sign up. So when it loads, you can either choose to use your Gmail account or use another email address. So I'll prefer to use a Gmail account. So when you're here, you can complete your free account setup by selecting your location, and then you say what you want. Do you want to hire for a project, or do you want to work as a freelancer? So we want to work as a freelancer, you select that particular option. So you can select also here if you want to maybe get notifications or emails or alerts or a newsletter. Also click yes, I understand and agree to the Upwork terms and conditions, and then click on create my account. When it is done creating your account, you can be able to add more details about your profile, your area of expertise. Is it in marketing? Is it in software development? Is it in mobile application development? Your expertise level, is it advanced? Is it novice level? Your education background, places that you've worked before, languages that you speak, how much you charge per hour, title and overview, your profile, your location, and your phone number. And then companies will be able to spot you, or if your profile matches the kind of work that they want done. So I hope that you've learned something, and I hope that you're going to take advantage of this online gig economy, because with this COVID-19 pandemic, we've seen so many people lose their jobs. So do not stay idle at home. There are opportunities for you out here. There are online platforms out here that can be able to give you some coins. So take full advantage of that. And I hope that you will be able to make some money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And also please leave me a comment on what you would want to see in the next video. Goodbye.